Today I'm going to show you how to make skin look soft and smooth in Premiere Pro. I've just placed a clip on the timeline, and after zooming in on the video, I noticed some visible skin pores that I'd like to smooth out. Go over and select the Object Mask tool, then hover your cursor over the person's face and left-click to highlight it. For this effect, our goal is to smooth the skin while keeping the details of her eyes, mouth, and nose untouched. Open this drop-down menu and choose the lasso tool, then click the Subtract button. From here, begin drawing the lasso around all the facial features you don't want to be smoothed. Keep tracing until it roughly looks like this. To create the smoothing effect, we're going to use a blur. So go over to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur and add the effect to your video. Now as you can see, there's clearly too much blur and it needs to be adjusted. So go over to Effect Controls and scroll down to Amount, set it to 1 or 2 depending on the degree of smoothness you want. In Expansion choose 50 and Feather go to below. When Chromatic Aberration, 50 is preferred. This percentage can be increased or decreased as desired depending on the smoothing effect you prefer.